Imagine you're a busy project manager, juggling a million tasks at once. Your to-do list is a never-ending scroll, and you're drowning in a sea of emails and deadlines. How do you stay organized, productive, and sane? That's where Trello comes in. It's a popular project management tool that can help you streamline your workflow and get more done. But is it as easy to use as it looks? In this video, we'll dive into Trello and explore whether it's a user-friendly tool or a complex beast that requires a steep learning curve. Understanding Trello basics. Let's start by understanding the fundamental components of Trello: boards, lists, and cards. A board is like a digital whiteboard where you can organize your projects. Lists are columns within a board that represent different stages of a project, such as to do, in progress, and done. Cards are the individual tasks or items that you'll move from list to list as you complete them. Key features and benefits. Trello offers a variety of features that can make your project management life easier. Here are some of the key benefits. Asterisk visual organization. Trello's visual interface makes it easy to see the big picture and understand the status of your projects. Asterisk flexibility. You can customize Trello to fit your specific needs, whether you're working on personal projects or managing large teams. Asterisk collaboration. Trello is great for collaboration, as multiple people can work on the same board and see each other's progress. Asterisk integration. Trello integrates with a wide range of other tools, including Google Calendar, Dropbox, and Slack. Learning curve and challenges. While Trello is generally considered user-friendly, there is a learning curve involved. Here are some potential challenges you might encounter. Asterisk overwhelming features. If you're new to project management tools, the sheer number of features in Trello can be overwhelming. Asterisk customization. While customization is a benefit, it can also be a challenge if you're not sure where to start. Asterisk best practices. Learning the best practices for using Trello can take time and experimentation. Tips for learning Trello effectively. Here are some tips to help you learn Trello more effectively. Asterisk start small. Begin by creating a simple board for a small project to get a feel for the tool. Asterisk utilize Trello's resources. Trello offers a variety of resources, including tutorials, help articles, and a community forum. Asterisk experiment and play around. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and workflows. Asterisk join a community. Connect with other Trello users to learn from their experiences and get support. Is Trello right for you? Ultimately, whether Trello is difficult to learn depends on your individual learning style and experience level. If you're a visual learner who enjoys a flexible and collaborative tool, Trello is likely a good fit. However, if you prefer a more structured approach or have limited technical skills, you may find the learning curve to be steeper. So, is Trello difficult to learn? The answer is, it depends. While there is a learning curve involved, Trello is generally considered a user-friendly tool that can help you streamline your project management. By following the tips we've discussed, you can quickly get up to speed and start using Trello to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.